In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Walmart promo code or coupon code or discount code in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and right here at the search box type in Walmart promo code. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites contains promo codes. Now you can open up any of them. Here, for example, I got 37 different coupon codes. For example, that one gives me up to 20% off for my order at Walmart. I can tap there at show coupon to see them, and right here I can tap on that icon to copy this coupon code to my clipboard. Now I can move to Walmart website or to its mobile application where I have to use that promo code. Just don't forget to use it before paying any money and double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason happened that this promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site and then try to use another one. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.